Hello, welcome. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of Entity Framework 6, asynchronous calls. We'll explore why many tutorials, and indeed real-world applications, favor async operations over synchronous ones. It's all about performance and responsiveness, especially when dealing with database interactions. Let's get started. Asynchronous calls in EF6 are widely used to enhance the performance and responsiveness of applications. Synchronous operations block the main thread while waiting for a database operation to complete. This means the application UI freezes, and it can't respond to user input. This is a terrible user experience, especially for applications that require fast feedback. Asynchronous operations, on the other hand, don't block the main thread. Instead, they initiate the database operation and return immediately. The application can then continue to process other tasks while the database operation runs in the background. When the database operation completes, a notification is sent, and the application can then handle the results. This makes the application more responsive and prevents it from freezing. EF6 provides async methods like toListAsync, SaveChangesAsync, firstOrDefaultAsync, and many more. Using these methods is straightforward. You simply await the result of the async operation. The await keyword tells the compiler to suspend the execution of the current method until the async operation completes. This allows the application to continue processing other tasks while waiting for the database operation. Without async and await, the code would essentially block. Consider a scenario where you need to retrieve a large amount of data from a database. A synchronous call could take several seconds, during which the application would be unresponsive. An asynchronous call would allow the application to remain responsive, providing a much better user experience. Another common scenario is saving changes to the database. This can also take some time, especially if there are many changes to be saved. Using SaveChangesAsync, asynchronously allows the application to continue running while the changes are being saved in the background. Error handling with async operations is similar to synchronous operations. You can use try-catch blocks to handle exceptions. Make sure to wrap the await call in a try block to catch any exceptions that might be thrown during the async operation. Using asynchronous operations effectively is crucial for building high-performance and responsive applications with EF6. Always prioritize async operations when dealing with database interactions to prevent blocking the main thread and improve the user experience. There are other scenarios where synchronous calls are preferred, for example short duration or simple operation calls. However, for most database calls, asynchronous calls are the way to go. That's a wrap on why EF6 tutorials and production code favor asynchronous calls. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking it and subscribing. Your support helps us create more content like this.